but they're not. If they ask you to classify that IP address, unfortunately, they want to get silly about it. They're going to put it in binary and tell you, hey, the following binaries, which class of address are they, or something to that effect. All right, but anyway, you need to commit this to memory. And remember, what does it mean to be private? It means that they're not routable on the internet. That's it. Okay, you can't place it on an interface that's facing the backbone, the internet, or nothing like that, because it's not going to work. All right, and that's why we use what? NAT. That's right. Okay, so let's get rid of this. All right, when we're doing, and to answer any question in IP addressing, all you need to know are your bit values. You know your bit values, you're good. You can answer any question. All right, now we know our bit values are, let me stand a little bit over here, give myself some room to work. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. That's a day 1. Okay? Every octet has these increments, correct? Because when we look at an IP version 4 address, right, it's broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, let me get my space. Let me get on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 4 octets, okay? Separated by a decimal. These bit values on top, plus the bottom, we're going to go ahead and count for subnets this way and hosts the other way. All right, so it's 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, and so forth. It doesn't change. They're the same in each one. Okay? So if you were given a mask, where somebody was asking a question about a CIDR 28, right? So let's put a CIDR 28 right here. CIDR, C-I-D-R, 28. What does that mean? It means you got 28 bits on. Okay. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, lose twitch, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then the rest are off. Okay? So your imaginary line is right here. So this last octet, this 4th octet, okay, is where your focus is at. Everything this way is the network, right? You can't mess with these. These are all one. So this is your network side. So how do you use this up here? Well, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. This bit value here is 16. If you were to add these bit values, 1, 2, 4, 8, that's 15. This is how your network increments. Okay? So this number is to help you calculate for broadcast. So I'm going to do just a couple so you can see. All right, let me get another color. That's really in green. I'll make it a slightly bigger because I'm doing it kind of small. All right, so let's do the first network. I haven't been given a class or anything. I know the access will represent the offsets that are fully on. That won't change. So X, 16, right? That's my first network. I increment by 16, therefore X, 32. I keep incrementing by 16, X, 48, right? 16 plus 16, 32. 16 plus 32, 48. And those so forth, all the way down to the very last segment. Now, that's your ID, your network ID, your subnet ID, whatever you want to call it. That is what tells you the network that's on the wire. Now, the next one you need to find out, let me erase this little line here, is the broadcast address. Okay? How do you get that? There's 2 ways, very simple. 16, right? This 16, not that. 16 plus this 15 is 31. These other 2 addresses, this is your broadcast, let's put BR. These are the 2 addresses that you cannot assign. You know very good and well that you put that one of those addresses with that CIDR 28 and your TCP/IP on a route or where the case is, it's going to scream at you. It's not going to let you do it. But on the exam, of course, you're going to put the wrong IP address and you need to figure out why the problem is. So once you got the 2, right, that you cannot put, then what's in between? Well, what's after 16? The number 16. 17. What's before 31? 30. That is your range. This is what you can assign to the computers. Whatever these 3 numbers they gave you, it doesn't matter. This could be 1011. This could be 192, 168, 100. It does not matter. Okay, what they gave you. This is what you're looking for. The network ID, the broadcast address, and the usable range. All right, let's go to the next network. 32 plus 15 is what? 47. That is the broadcast address. Okay? So yeah, from 33 all the way to 46.